Every human being in this world deserves to be respected. Each individual has their unique value. This freedom to express ourselves and gain respect is everybody's right. But it's hard to know in this present generation that women are still facing issues and they are hard to gain respect from a man. Hello and welcome back to our channel New Think, We Think and You Believe. So in today's session I am going to explain you the 10 most beloved, unique secrets to gain respect from a man. One has to earn respect with his character and stay strong on their beliefs and decisions. So, first of all, love and respect yourself. If you don't love and respect yourself, how can you expect others to respect you? Always keep a positive mindset and remember that you are worthy of love and respect. Don't focus too much on the outside work rather than work from inside. Set your personal standards and boundaries. Do your best and stick upon your opinions. And remember, we should take care of ourselves so that others respect us. Second, be respectful. Before you can be respected by the people around you, you must respect them first. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Don't be judgmental. Don't acknowledge their opinions, which means you shouldn't let them walk over all the way around. You should stand still on your ground, show the men that you respect them, and they will soon reciprocate and in turn respect you. Third, prove your worth. Don't be afraid to show the world the real you. Recognize your strengths and remember that you are worthy of respect. So don't be afraid to prove this to men around you. Prove your intelligence and capabilities through your work ethics and your attitude. When you have an opinion, you should not be afraid. You should just speak out. Don't let any other man to think that you are inferior. Show them that you can stand up for yourself. Fourth, be kind. No matter how intelligent or talented you are, no one will respect you if you don't have a good attitude. If you have a bad attitude, no one can be kind towards you, no one can respect you. So, in turn, don't be aggressive to others. Instead, show kindness and compassion. Help and support them when they require you, when they need you. Even those who do not treat you well, help them, support them so that they try to respect you. Fifth, be a good communicator. Communication is the key to reach out to men. Whenever you have any idea, try to communicate it. Don't be vague, be very, very clear. So, you should be able to convey your views and opinions assertively without putting the other people down. So communication is a greatest skill. So for this skill to be developed, you need to be a good listener first, then only you can become a excellent communicator. Sixth, make sure to look good. In the present world, one is known and judged by his appearance and looks. People, especially men, form opinions based on how they look. So you must look pleasing and appealing to gain respect. Maintain hygiene and groom yourself in a way as to look attractive to the people. 7. Learn to say no. The one who learns to say no at the right point of time is wise. Don't entertain others and be always available. The word no is extremely powerful. Don't fear to say no in any argument if it is not acceptable. Otherwise, the person thinks about you at a lower level. So, never be afraid to say no when you don't want to do something or when you don't agree with something a man says. Eighth, be honest. Honesty is the weapon. Can you respect a person who lies? No. So always be truthful and honest around you. Remember, respect requires trust, and the trust builds up once you are honest. 9. Perceive your ambitions. As a woman worthy, is a woman worthy of respect? Yes. How can a woman be worthy of respect? A woman must have a clear vision of her future. She should be sure about her ambitions, her life goals. She should not compromise on her goals and ambitions. So don't hide these ambitions, don't hide these goals from the men around you. Instead, be proud that you have such ambitions and show your determination to achieve them. Men respect the goals and ambitions. Thus, pursuing ambitions of your own will help the men to respect you. And 10 is take control. To gain respect, one needs to take control of both yourself and the situation around yourself. Some men perceive women as emotional and unworthy of respect. Prove them wrong by always keeping your emotions aside and acting rationally at all times. Also, rather than sitting around and waiting for men to take action, you must be more proactive and show them that you are capable of handling such situation, whether it's at home, whether it's at workplace, whether it is outside, inside, anywhere. Don't wait around for any man to solve your problem. Instead, face the problem head on, go forward, show them that you are capable of dealing anything. So these were 10 few secret qualities that you. So I hope these 10 secret qualities can enrich your character and make him or her or any other man to respect you, which you deserve to be. So be a strong and independent woman who is worthy of respect. Stick to your standards, be honest, and always be confident. That way you can make a man respect and value you to the end of your life. So thank you, and please like, share, and comment on the video if you are